Early autumn lake/reservoir big fish fishing, 3 common mistakes that can cut your catch in half. As the crisp air of autumn settles in, anglers flock to lakes and reservoirs, hoping to reel in big fish. However, after hours of fishing, many end up with only small catches, leaving them frustrated and asking, "Where did all the big fish go?" The truth is, the fish are still there, they just aren't responding to your bait or technique. The reason? We've failed to adjust our fishing methods to the seasonal changes. Here are the 3 most common mistakes anglers make in early autumn, and how to fix them. With these adjustments, your chances of catching big fish will soar. 1. Don't keep your bait too vegetarian. Add a meaty aroma to draw in bigger fish. When targeting big fish, many anglers rely on traditional vegetarian bait like corn or sweet potatoes, thinking it's a surefire method. However, as autumn sets in, this tactic often falls short, and bites become sparse. Why? During early autumn, water temperatures are still warm, and fish haven't switched over to purely vegetarian diets. They need protein-rich, meaty nutrients to bulk up for winter, and that's why fish aren't biting on plain corn or sweet potatoes. They're not drawn in by the weak scent. For better success, mix a bit of meaty aroma into your bait. Try fermented corn combined with shrimp or algae powder. The fermented scent travels far in the water and grabs the attention of big fish. To further enhance the appeal, soak your hook bait in wine to give it a subtle, irresistible aroma. This little tweak makes a big difference. In my recent fishing trip, using fermented corn and wine-soaked tender corn, I caught a 2 kg carp and 2 grass carp in just a few hours. 2. Stop sticking to deep water. The real sweet spots are shallow weed beds and sluice gates. Many anglers assume that big fish always lurk in the deep water, but this isn't always the case in early autumn. Deep water, especially during warmer hours, becomes like a stuffy jar low in oxygen and uncomfortable for big fish. Instead, shift your focus to areas with higher oxygen levels and abundant food. Shallow weed beds, 1.5 to 2 meters deep, backwaters near sluice gates, or areas near dams with flowing water. These spots are rich in nutrients and more comfortable for big fish. The best time to fish deep water is early in the morning or during cool evenings when the water temperature drops. But come midday, when the sun heats up, shift to shallower areas for better results. 3. Don't be too rigid with float watching. Adapt to water temperature and wind conditions. In early autumn, many anglers struggle with light bites. They see a float moving, but when they strike, the hook comes up empty. The issue isn't that the fish are too clever, it's that the anglers are too rigid in how they watch the float. Due to the large day-night temperature fluctuations, bites will vary throughout the day. In the morning, when the water is cooler, big fish nibble lightly, often causing the float to only move by half an eye. Don't wait for big movements. Strike at the first subtle nudge to avoid missing the bite. By midday, as the water warms, the bites become stronger, and float movements will be more pronounced, with 2 to 3 eyes of movement indicating a bite. During windy conditions, it's best to set your float at a dull level. This reduces wave interference and allows you to catch steady bites when the float dips. Fix these mistakes, and early autumn big fish fishing will be a breeze. Autumn fishing isn't about fewer fish, it's about adapting your techniques to the changing conditions. The common mistakes that cut your catch in half are: relying too heavily on vegetarian bait, fishing in deep water too stubbornly, and being too rigid about float watching. By adding a bit of meaty aroma to your bait, moving to the right locations, and adjusting your float setup to the conditions, you'll start catching big fish more consistently. About the author, I'm a fishing enthusiast and blogger dedicated to sharing tips and tricks for anglers of all levels. Follow me for more fishing insights, tips, and techniques to improve your wild fishing game. Don't forget to like, save, and follow to never miss the next update.